Dave Beasley here. I'm going to talk about how you can make your own Curio project stencil.
The first thing you want to do is maybe go online and search for some pictures of manta rays. I think manta rays are probably the unofficial sort of mascot of the Curio project. Maybe find some images of manta rays and find one that you like. I kind of like this one here. This is the I think one from Wikipedia. I've got a bunch of manta rays kind of swimming there. So take that picture, download it to your computer. All right, next thing you'll want to do is print it out. Okay, so take your printer, print it out, and then we're gonna take a sharp knife and basically cut out the manta ray shapes. So that'll take a little while. You know, get a utility knife or X-Acto knife and cut those out. I'm gonna do that and come back. All right, I'm done cutting. You should end up with something that looks kind of like this. Okay, so you've cut out the shapes of the manta rays. And now we're going to get ready to go apply the stencil. So now what we're going to do is going to take the laptop where you want to put the stencil on it. One issue with the Curio stencil is that it is not really compatible with any other stickers or anything you might have on your laptop. And on top of that, you're really not supposed to be talking about Curio. So what we're going to do is we're going to give the stencil its own place on the laptop. In fact, I would kind of suggest maybe putting it on the back. Okay, so we're going to take the stencil, sort of put it on the back. One thing to make before we apply it is I'm going to spend a little time to tape it down. So let me do that for a second. All right, I've applied the tape. You will also notice that I've put a few just kind of random items on the paper there. That's basically to hold it down and to prevent sort of bleeding, basically. So just use some random screws and nails and stuff. So let's get ready for the painting here, the application of this thing. We're going to use a nice blue here, so let's try this. All right, that looks pretty good. So we're going to let that dry, maybe give that a half hour or so, and then we'll come back and take a look at it. So I've removed the stencil, and here's the final result. Looks pretty good. So hopefully I'll see one of these on your laptop at PyCon.